Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic called string functions. Already we have discussed the string length and string concatenation in the previous video. Here we are going to discuss the topic called four functions we are going to discuss. One will be strchr, strstr, strcpy and strcmp. So now first we start with strchr. For example, I want to compute. I want to search one character in my particular array of strings. Means I need to go for strchr. So how do we do that means? For example, here using the pointer variable, I am saving my whole strings. Okay, using the pointer variable, there is no need of any array representation here. Directly you can store the strings, and I am using the strchr. I am going to give my input string followed my targeted strings, and I am saving into my result pointers variables. Okay, here again now I am getting into the if statement. For example, now I am checking my result is not equal to null. That means why I am checking not equal to null means here from the starting index to the ending index, my particular result will check all the particular where is the w is existed. Okay, it will check up to the last null pointer. Always I told that the string will be saved your data with null pointer only. So when it is not equal to null, for example h, it has going to check it is not equal to null means it will move on to the e. It is not equal to null means it will move on to the l. Likewise it will go until my w is found. When the w is found, I need to print the address position of my w. How do I print? I need to subtract my result minus str. But what is result here? What is str here? Why do I need to subtract? That is the question mark here. For that clarification, first I am printing my result and the str in the long integer format. You see the result here. Automatically my str will taken over the 88, my 95, my particular chr, my result will taken over the 95. Why? Because here you see that my output is here str will going to return 88 means my starting index of the h is 88th index. So 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, one space 94, and it is also 95. W is a 95. If we see here, W will going to return as a 95. So 95 result minus str, 95 minus 88 means it will going to give the position called 7. Obviously my W is existed in the 7. This is how my particular character finding operation will work using strchr. But I need to find one whole letters in my string means I need to go for str substring. Okay, so how it is possible? The same syntax I am going to give here. I am going to save the hello world here, and I am going to give the particular substring is equal to world. I am going to find where I need to know how where is the world is. Now the same as like that of strchr we have to give, but instead of this output variable I am giving as a substring here. Okay, the same particular syntax whatever we follow, but only difference is I am going to find the group of words. Here I am finding one letter, but here I am finding the group of words. Okay, here also for your reference, I am just printing all my particular result, particular programs, sorry, particular address values in the long integer. Okay, so if I execute it, for example, here obviously you see that the result, the W starting address will be 95, STR starting address will be 88, but that particular substring is stored in the different variables. So it is having the different index of 702. Okay, that means this W index starting from 702, this W is starting index from 95. Always string will return the starting address of their values. Consecutively, we will find after that where is the string exists up to the null pointer. Okay, it is like when you are getting into the movies, you just if you are booking the just a ticket of A1 to A6 means if you know A1 where existed means obviously you know where the A6 is because consecutively your seats are allocated. No, same thing consecutively my memory will be allocated. So if I just know where the H is existed, starting address of my string, I know where the other strings are. Obviously, I can easily to search. So this is what it will going to return. String will return the starting address alone. So but by the help of that logic, I can find the position as result minus str. Okay, so this is called strchr and strstr. Let's go to the strcpy. That means this is the very important repeated operation what we are doing in our daily life. Okay, so that means we are always copy some content, you are pasting some content somewhere. Here I am going to just declare my source as an array, my destination as another array. Okay, here I am using differently array, but here in the previous program, I am using the pointer. Using pointer also you can use the logic or using array also you can use it here. And I am just declaring my one string, one then I am going to just declare that my destination memory size as 20. That means I am going to copy the hello world, I am going to paste it into my destination. So how do I do that? Okay, here you need to ensure that strcpy function, you need to ensure that you need to give the destination, that means where you want to paste it and what is the where is the location of your source data. Okay, where you want to paste your data followed by what is the source data. So destination comma source. So while strcpy carried over the string copy, my data is existed in the source also, destination also. Obviously, if I executed it, it will go, my source also having hello world, my destination is also having hello world. This is how my strcpy will happen. Lastly, strcmp. Here strcmp means here we are going to just I am going to compare everything. I am going to compare my string and I am going to give the result here. Here I am giving the apple, watermelon, strc, str2 and str3 as same string, str1 as a different string. Okay, now I am comparing using strcmp function. We are going to compare the particular two strings at a time, but it will produce three kind of result: positive result, negative result, and equal result. Why it is needed means here I am searching for the content of watermelon, but the result will be apple means how do I categorize my result? Either positive or negative. Okay, so if I want to have exact result, I need to know my main result is closely relevant to the exact result or it is far away from the exact result. For example, I am giving watermelon. It is showing water packet means it is a far away result. But I am giving the watermelon. But it is showing the apple means it is a quite nearby result because both are fruits. Okay, so it is quite nearby result. This is what the comparison will happen. This comparison we can call it as lexicographical graphical analysis. So what is lexicographical analysis means? Here I am comparing str1 and str2. So str1 will be watermelon and str2. So let me put it into the comments. str2 will be apple. So you see that first W and A. So obviously as per the ASCII value, W value will be greater compared to the A. So if I just go into minus W minus A, it will going to give me the positive result. That means str1 is greater than str2. In the result 2, what I am comparing str2 and str3, both are exactly same. So it will going to, in the result 2, it will going to print me both are equal. Okay. To print exact result, I am comparing whether it is lesser than or greater than. That means I am searching for my result. My exact result also appear. My nearby result also appear. My far away result also appear. Okay, that is called lesser than, greater than and equal to. Okay, here, so I am comparing str1 and str2 and str2 and str3 here in the result 1 and result 2. So what it will be the result means, it will going to give me str1 is greater than str2 because it is start from W. Here str1 is equal to str3 because both are equal. Okay, now I am going to change my data. Here instead of apple, I am giving accidentally I am giving as ape. Ape is a monkey. I am giving ape. Okay, so how it will be compared means first AP both are equal. But here you see that E and E is there, here P is there. So what? E minus P, negative result. So it will go to store into the negative result. How it will be stored? If I compare is comparison. Sorry. So E minus P, str2 comma str3. So let's see. You see that in the result str2 str3, you see that str1 is lesser than str3. Okay. Let's compare str1. Yeah, here it will show the particular str negative result only. Okay, this is how my particular str CMP works. Okay, so in this video we are comparing str CMP comparison. It will going to compare the two different strings. Now strchr, it will going to find a character in my particular string. Str, it will going to find my whole bunch of word. Strcpy, it will going to just copy my particular string from source to the destination. Thank you.